Hi, this is Aaron at Taylor & Son Chevrolet. Going to be doing a walk around video here of our 2023 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. All in all, this is like nearly a new vehicle, so super nice, but I will go over the exterior and interior and just point out any imperfections or blemishes that I would want to know about before I came and took a look at this one. So starting here on the driver's side on the exterior, paint and wheels, tires, all that in good condition. Like I said, 23 model year, very little wear and tear on it thus far. The one thing you do get with these Jeeps is when driven is they've got pretty wide fenders and tires that stick out to where you do get a little bit of rocks that flip up. So here on the rear, this is about the only thing on the entire exterior. The rear fender flares have a few little pock marks from rocks from the front tires that get kicked up and hit it. So you can see that there. But all in all, paint's in good condition. And like I said, wheels, tires, undercarriage, all that in really good shape. I think the only blemish here on the fender flare there is a very insignificant little scratch, again, probably due to a rock being kicked up. Moving around to the rear of the vehicle. Bumper's in good shape. Lift gate, glass, all that in good shape. Again, I think this is the only exterior blemish on the outside of those little pock marks on the passenger side. Again, same deal. Mirror caps and glass, like I said, all in good shape. Working around to the front of the vehicle here. Headlights, fenders, bumpers, all look good. All right, working around to the interior of this vehicle, starting with the driver's side again. Here's the driver's side door jamb here, door panel. Jeep mats and dash, steering wheel, infotainment center, all that looks really good. Seats, I think the only thing on the fabric you can see, there's very, very light, like the buttons on Levi's that have been sat in the seat here. You can see some very small little lines. That's probably the only thing worth pointing out on the interior as far as anything that looks outside of brand new. Console, shifters, climate control, dash, glove box, all that looks new. All right, moving around to the rear door on the driver's side. Drip of water. Let's see, seat backs. And the back of the driver's seat looks good. Rear climate control and window switches, all that looks good. All right, moving around to the cargo area. Cargo area looks really good. Carpet's in great shape. They got this cargo bag basically to secure items so they don't move around in transit. Roll cage, All that looks good. No blemishes really to point out. And they have the removable topper pieces in these Jeeps too. All that stuff looks good. All right. All right, moving around to the passenger side. Here's the rear passenger side door. Again, same deal, looks new. Looks in real good shape here. The perspective from this side. Again, in the back of the passenger seat. All right, moving around to the front passenger door. And same deal. Looks really good. And here is the dash itself, glove box from this side. Like I said, all looks really nice and in new condition there. All right, well, there you have it. There's our 2023 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. I appreciate the interest. This is Aaron for Taylor & Sons, signing off.